Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft compass in Minecraft. So in order to do this, first you will need to gather one redstone. There's only one needed, and also you will need some iron ingots. So to get a redstone, you will need to go far deep into your world and find a block with a red ore on it. It basically looks like this, so simply find it. And regarding the iron, you'll need to find a block that looks like this. Then smelt the iron ore into an iron ingot, and after that move to your workbench, put the redstone in the middle, take iron ingot and place it on all of the sides of your redstone dust. Now you should be able to craft a compass, and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.